How to unpin a document from your list on Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unpin a document from your list easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Excel app. Now this is the home page as you can see right here, and this is my pinned document that I want to unpin. So all what you have to do is go here, click on those three dots in the right, and choose unpin from list. After you click on it, now everything will be done. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to check my other Excel videos to learn more about Microsoft Excel app. Thank you so much.